Welcome back to Design Time. We do a lot of road trips in the summer and, over the years, have stayed with family, friends, and plenty of hotels along the way. What always stands out to me, though, are the thoughtful little touches that make us feel genuinely welcome. And as pet parents, we especially appreciate it when someone includes something for our dog, Jax. It's such a simple way to show that he's part of the family, too. That's what this video is all about. I'm walking you through how to get your home guest ready for summer in a way that's warm, practical, beautiful, and pet-inclusive, too. Whether your guests are staying for weeks or just a quick visit, these simple touches help everyone feel comfortable, relaxed, and right at home. Let's walk through it together, room by room. Your entryway is like the first few seconds of a good hug, simple, warm, and inviting. It sets the tone. Start by clearing any clutter and laying down a non-slip area rug. Add a small bench or chair and a basket for shoes and bags. Consider a seasonal touch like a simple wreath, a large lantern with a battery-operated candle, or a tall plant. If you have a console table, style it with a little welcome sign or handwritten note, a fresh scented candle, and a vase of flowers. If guests are bringing a dog, tuck a water bowl into a quiet, low-traffic corner and place a small treat nearby. Just check with your guests first in case their pup has dietary needs. And for guests of any age, keep walking paths clear, place a non-slip mat at the door, and make sure the lighting is good, especially if they're arriving after dark. Now, let's talk about the guest room. Walk in with fresh eyes. Would you be comfortable spending the night there? Start with crisp linens, a lightweight throw, and a couple of pillow options. A small bench or chair gives guests a place to unpack or just sit for a moment, which is especially helpful for older visitors. Soft lighting is key. Add a small reading light to each bedside table, and this is one of my favorite tips. Install a motion sensor strip light along the bottom rail of the bed. It gives just enough glow for nighttime visibility without having to fumble for a light switch. Leave a small card with the Wi-Fi name and password somewhere easy to spot. A carafe of water on the nightstand is always appreciated, and a vase of fresh flowers adds such a lovely, personal touch. If a pet is staying too, set up a small corner with a washable mat or a portable bed, a water dish, and a towel for muddy paws or unexpected messes. And just in case of an emergency, leave the name and phone number of a trusted local vet. Think of the guest bathroom as a mini retreat, clean, calming, and full of thoughtful touches. Stock it with fluffy towels, a basket of toiletries, and a non-slip bath mat. A nightlight is a smart touch, especially for guests who don't know their way around in the dark. One of my favorite little luxuries is a diffuser with a soft, summery scent like cucumber mint, citrus, or linen. It instantly makes the room feel fresh and luxurious. And for furry visitors, tuck an extra towel and a few pet wipes or cleanup bags under the sink. While you'll probably not need them, your guests will appreciate that you thought ahead. Now, we're moving into the kitchen. Let's make your space feel welcoming without overthinking it. A simple setup with a carafe of water, coffee, tea, and a few light snacks is easy but so appreciated. I like to bake something fresh before guests arrive. Muffins, scones, or a small loaf cake work beautifully. Label essentials like coffee, tea, mugs, and water glasses so guests can serve themselves with ease. And leave a water bowl in a quiet corner if a dog is visiting, but again, check before offering any treats. The kitchen should be about easy hospitality, so all you need to do is tell your guests to help themselves. If the weather's nice, your outdoor space becomes an extension of your home. Wipe down your furniture, bring out some soft cushions, and create at least one shady spot. Set out a blanket in the shade, along with a bowl of fresh water, so your guest's pup can stay comfortable too. I like to set a tray with chilled drinks and a covered platter of snacks, and I always keep a small basket of sunscreen and bug spray within easy reach. It saves everyone from having to go in and out all afternoon. As the sun sets, solar lanterns or battery-operated candles spread around the space will keep things feeling cozy and welcoming well into the evening. By the way, if you have any toxic plants in your yard, either move them out of reach or let your guests know which ones they and their pet should avoid. When it comes to getting your home ready for summer guests, just remember the words of Homer. A guest never forgets the host who has treated him kindly. At the end of the day, making your home guest ready isn't about matching sheets or expensive upgrades. It's about thoughtfulness. It's in the reading light by the bed, the fresh towel for muddy paws, and the way your home quietly says, "I'm so glad you're here." If this inspired you to do something small, but meaningful, for your next guest, whether human or canine, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more warm, practical ideas for loving your forever home. I'll see you next week.